Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101, where we give you mini tutorials on all things Beacons. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your digital products from your Beacons store to your Beacons website so you can have a full, seamless professional shopping experience. So, let's dive in. If you don't have any products in your Beacons store or you haven't set up your website yet, you want to do those two things first. So first, let's go into your Beacons account and click on the website tab on the left side here. Click into Edit Your Website. On the top, you'll see this button with plus section, and we're going to click that to add a section. At the top right of the screen, you're going to see store and click that. Now you have a store section to edit on your website. Your heading can say whatever makes sense for your page, something like check out my products here or shop my store. The subheading should be a little more descriptive, like master social media with my expert tools and templates. Now you're going to add your actual products that are already set up on your Beacon store by going over to this right hand editor section and clicking select products. You'll see all your products listed there, and all you have to do is click the checkbox for the ones you want to feature and then click add products. That's literally it, and it's going to auto populate for you. And whenever you want to add more, you can come back here and add an existing product to the section. You can drag the full store section around so that the top, bottom, or wherever you want it, depending on what else is on your page. If you want to see what it looks like before you publish, this little arrow right here under the blue publish button will show you a preview. And finally, make sure you click that blue publish button at the top right to make your changes live. Now you can go promote your website link, then just sit back and watch those sales roll in. If you need additional help, check out our help center in the description below or email us at support@beacons.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.